What's up, Tyler? How you doing, man?
I'm alright.
This is a nice setup you got here, and you got what? It's an IPL, right?
Yes, it is. IPL G37.
That is beautiful. And we got your G. What happened to your G?
Evolved into an accident.
Oh my gosh! What the heck? That is not cool.
Yeah, but they said, how does this happen? And your brother was very happy. I said,
Cool. So, actually not cool. This is kind of real sad. Hey guys, so this episode is gonna be a little bit different. We've got Tyler here and Frank and Brian, of course, and we've got Tyler's G35. And sadly enough, the pussy magnet kicked in and sucked another car right into the driver's side. So what we're gonna be doing is unbolting the car. We'll let you see a bunch of the parts, and then if you guys are interested in the parts, let us know in the comments below. We're gonna start his car up one last time.
Hit the brake. 2, 1.
Yeah.
Not enough.
We're jumping it. Go ahead. Woo! Look at that exhaust. Thunder. Thunder. Alright, so one of the parts, clearly, we got a hood, right?
Yes, sir.
Then we got the Megan Y pipe. These are Motordyne. How many miles did you say the Motordyne was?
They only had like 2,000 or 3,000 miles on them.
2,000 or 3,000 miles on this, so I don't know about you guys. I don't have the cash for it, but I would pick it up myself if I did. Definitely check those out. Only thing that needs to be changed is this tip got bent a little bit. You can see that, but you can just unbolt it and then put another one on, and you'll be looking pretty, man. We got a Z tube. We got carbon fiber steering wheel. That thing is
BQ Vortex.
super pristine and beautiful. We've got the grille, we've got the JDM and OEM engine covers right here. We got a video on how to do that right here. We got a 75mm throttle body. NWP. That thing is wicked. Crazy gains on that one. We got the stock airbox, so if anyone's looking for that. A stock airbag, not deployed. We've got turn signal, that's pretty cool. We've got a clock spring, and we've got a tutorial on how to install that right up here. We've got the bumper.
Sports bumper.
Oh, it's a sports bumper. Yeah. All right, so it's just, we got the sports bumper going on here with only a little bit of damage. Ryan and I were looking at this damage, and we think that honestly, if you just putty it up and then shave it down a little bit, this will be clean. You can clean that up real well. Toll Booth Willie splash guard, one part right here, two part right there. Makes easy access, makes it super clean, makes sure that none of the debris and crud gets up there in the engine. So super awesome addition. We got these set of headlights right here with the halo effects on them. So this one is actually in pretty perfect condition, except for, I mean, you could refinish it a little bit right here. This one has a tab that's broken on the top and one that's broken on the side, but it still mounts up, so that's worth getting to. We've got one tail light, the other one's pretty shattered, but we've got all the electronic bits to it, so bonus.
Oh, they're actually from 2006 to 2007 with the wireless remote, the intelligent key actually.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Yep. So we got some taillights there for you. And you had this too, right? Diode Dynamics. Turn light mod. I don't know if you guys have seen Motordyne G35's video, but he installs these on his G35. They look pretty nice too. Almost forgot. Other parts. Carbon fiber here. Let's see that. You can see my reflection in it. That clean. Nice. Carbon fiber engine cover. We also have a carbon fiber diffuser right here. Super clean. Has not been touched by the impact at all.
It's never even been put on actually.
Oh, well, it wasn't even on the car for impact. So that's sad, but it's for sale. Cool. Yep, so thanks for tuning in this week's episode of Mills Garage. That is how to unbolt your G35. We've got lots of tutorials, so if you want to know anything about what we've done so far, just check them out. If you made it this far, you like the videos, make sure you subscribed, share with all your friends, and comment to let us know what parts you're interested in, because Tyler here is going to be selling all of these parts off. So we got a list down in the description below. We're not going to be shipping anything, we just want it to be local. Sorry, but if you're really interested in something, just make the trip out and say hi. So yeah, thanks Tyler from Delaware VQs, and make sure to follow them on Instagram too. The best VQs around the area are all posted there. Wait, cool man.
Yeah.
He's so tall, he can actually do that.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video, and we'll see you next time.
Is he tired? Tired of your puppy? Your puppy? Where's the puppy?